Welcome to CodeFog. So what happens is many a times we have more than one operating system installed on our computer system, maybe using VirtualBox or VM Workstation. So what problem we face is we are unable to copy paste from guest to host operating system or host to guest operating system, and the same thing with the file sharing things. So today what we are going to do here is we are going to enable copy paste and file sharing between host and guest operating system and vice versa. So for that, first we need to open our guest operating system that is running on VirtualBox. So here is our guest operating system. So for that, first we need to do is install the guest editions of the VirtualBox. So for that, what we need to do is go to the devices section and then insert guest edition CD image, the last options. Click on that. Once you click on that, it will give an auto prompt and it will ask you to run a software, and you will show that you will see that media CD-ROM is mounted. So what you need to do is just run it. It will ask for the root user password. Just give the root user password and authenticate it. And as I have already installed, it is saying that removed install version 5.2.2. For that, for your case, it will not be this there, and it will be successfully installed. It will take some time, so you need to hold on and wait. And for someone who didn't got the automatic prompt, just need to click on this media CD-ROM and then go to here and then just click on this vbox linux editions.run, or you can simply click on the run software and it should run, I think. So just wait for some time so that it gets installed, and once it gets installed we will process for the further steps. So it is saying that VirtualBox is starting, press return to close this window. So once this comes, you just need to hit the enter and that window will get closed. So what we need to do now is just go to again in the devices and go to the shared clipboard and do it the bidirectional. You can also go to the guest edition, go to the drag and drop and make it also the bidirectional thing. So what happens now is once you are going to your guest operating system, just copy this and try to paste in your guest operating system now. Sorry. Yeah, so just go here and just try to paste it out. It is not happening. You just need to copy it from the guest operating system. Copy, then just go to, oh, it's getting copied. You simply it gets copied. So what you need to do is just go to your guest operating system, just copy it and then try to paste it in your guest operating system. So just open your browser and just try it out if that copy paste is now working. Before this step, I would recommend everyone to just restart your VirtualBox. So see, we are able to copy now, and we can do the same thing. We can like type it out something here and just copy it and see if the vice versa thing is working, like guest operating to host operating system. So I copied it and I will try to paste it now to here, like something. See, that's working. So now this is perfectly working. So in the next step, what we need to do now is we need to enable the file sharing thing. So for that, what we need to do is first again go to devices, go to shared folders and click on shared folder settings. Once you get that shared folder settings, click on this plus button and you will need to enter the folder path. So choose from other, and I'm going on desktop, and I need to other, go on desktop and create a folder. I'm creating a new folder, so I'm giving it Astic shared. So I created it and I select it, so open, and I will make it permanent and auto mount. So I will hit OK, and then access is full, so OK. So you need to remember that name. I give it as Astic shared. So now what I need to do is just open the terminal, and now type the command sudo make dir /media and /shared folder. You need to give a name to this folder that is to be shared from the guest operating system to the host operating system. So I created and it is asking for the password. So I created the shared folder here, and I need to link it to the shared folder on the guest host operating system. So what I need to do is sudo mount -t vbox sf, and folder name I give at astic underscore shared. shared shared, and then the path of here media slash what I give shared folder. Okay, hit enter, and then once you click on the file system, you will get a shared folder here. Just click on that, and for like every time automatic starting, you need to run one more script, that is /etc /init.d rc.local start. Hit it. It will ask for the password. Just enter the password, authenticate it. It gets authenticated. And one last thing, you need to add yourself, and means yourself as a user to the vbox sf group. So sudo add user, your username, mine is Astic Anand, to ANAND to vbox sf. So that is done. So that's done, and now try to create a document here, like new folder. Oh, we don't have access, it seems. So what I need to do is give the access sudo chmod 777 -r to /media /windows, sorry, shared folder, we give the name shared folder. Okay, now trying to create the document here. and still we are not able to. Don't know what the problem is. Just restart once and see if that works. Save as this here. Not right. Yes. So that's the. So we created a folder now view. Stacking a bit. Just access it now in your host OS. Let's see the Elastic share. We have a folder called new. So that's done.